Assalamu alaikum. This is Salma and I'm making some Hyderabadi Dum Ka Murgh. It's like a red chicken they usually serve during weddings. So I have some oil heated and I have about three onions pureed, and I'm frying it until golden brown, and then we'll come back and we'll show you. Okay, now this is how we want our onions. Then we're gonna add our ginger garlic paste. And I'll put the recipe in the bottom, how many I put, but it's about a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And then you fry this. Then we're gonna add a teaspoon of haldi, turmeric powder, and fry it, and then we'll be back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's looking good. Now we're gonna add the chicken pieces, and this is a whole chicken, small whole chicken cut up. It's about a pound, I think, a pound and a half of chicken. And we're just gonna put it in and fry it up. My glasses fell. For about 10 minutes. It's hard holding the camera and doing this. Oh wow. So we're gonna fry this up for 10 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I come back after 10 minutes. Okay, this is what it looks like after 10 minutes of nice frying your chicken. I like my chicken fried nicely. Then that's my dal cooking. I'm gonna add some pink salt because I use pink salt to taste. Then I'm gonna add red chili, and this is a tablespoon. Well, can you imagine? And this is not even spicy enough for the Hyderabadis. Oh my god, I didn't even add the whole I can't even talk. The whole amount of red chili in it, because it will burn your butt. So basically I used only like I would say half a tablespoon. So then we stir this. We stir it and we stir it. Sorry, my camera sucks. It's actually my phone. I don't have a camera. I need to invest in one. Well, let's see how this goes, and and I'll invest, inshallah. Anyway, yep, there's my sauce. And now we're gonna add my pureed tomatoes. I have about 6 medium tomatoes, and then we stir it in, and then we're gonna let this cook for like around 5 more minutes, and I will be back. Okay. Well, I forgot to mention that I had to put red color, which is the big staple. That's why it turns red. I forgot. Sorry, guys. Well, we're gonna let this cook for at least about 5 to, let's say, 7 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like after. Thank you. Okay, guys, that's after 10 minutes of cooking. All the oils and everything, all the water is dried up, because we want the masala. See? Awesome looking, and I like it. Not too much oil. I don't like too much oil. I don't like oily food. And to this, we're gonna add a cup of pureed cashews. Oh, it's good. Rich, very rich, very rich. I was gonna say the fattening word. Very rich. Then we're gonna add a cup of water. We're gonna stir it. Stir it. Ooh, stir it. Stir it. I have to stir and at the camera, but I'm trying. I'm gonna stir. I'm trying to do it. A genius. Then, after that, we're gonna add a half a lemon juice. A half of a lemon juice. It gives it that kick. Oh, if you smell it, you can smell it. It smells good. But as I mentioned, in Hyderabad they make it way spicier. They make it like at least about 3 tablespoons of hot chili pepper, red chili pepper they would put in. But I did a half. I can't do the whole thing because I love spicy, but I like to enjoy it too. And now I'm gonna put in some garam masala. A teaspoon of garam masala. Oh, I love the smell of garam masala. Mix it in, mix it in, mix, 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 mix. Love it. Let me lower the fire a bit. This is a bit so mix, mix, mix in again. And to this, I'm gonna put in my coriander leaves, which is and my curry leaves. Coriander leaves and curry leaves. Oh, just the smell of it. Put the water in. Lower the fire now. And I'm gonna cover this. I'm gonna cover this. And leave on low for at least 5 minutes. And then we'll enjoy Hyderabadi Murgh chicken. So after all that frying, this is what it looks like. And that's the finished product. Delicious Hyderabadi Dum Ka Murgh. Red chicken, Hyderabadi wedding chicken. Hope you enjoy. If you want the recipe, if it's not easy to follow in the video, I will also send you it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.